The question keeps echoing, why wasn't I enough? Yet never finding sufficient answers feels like salt being rubbed onto fresh wounds repeatedly. How does therapy justify healing through discussion, knowing that talking only rewinds scenes featuring smiles tainted by lies lurking underneath those familiar eyes? How will I ever pick up these pieces and rebuild a life? Is it even possible? Should we stay together for the kids' sake, despite the love being evaporated? Is terrible communication or lack of intimacy what made my partner stray? Am I at fault here? Did my behavior make them cheat on me? Why wasn't our relationship enough to stop them from cheating? What did they find in that person who was missing in me? Will this disrupt not just us, but entire family dynamics, hence demanding everyone else's healing too, due to the consequences of their infidelity? Was they more appealing than risk losing everything? Repeats itself louder with passing moments, screaming silent agony reflecting upon empty house walls, once home. Forgiving seemingly equates to accepting back manipulatively. Isn't the line blurred here in recognizing the right course without anger clouding judgment, leading to bad decision-making? Is forgivingly implying indirect acceptance, quietly handing over betrayal permission again, expecting the same results? Do cheaters change miraculously, discarding tempting habits entirely? Can I feel secure in this relationship after being deeply betrayed? Is the person they cheated with better than me? Should I confront the individual my partner cheated on me with? Or am I inviting more pain? Will our mutual friends choose sides if we decide to split up due to infidelity? Is it justified for them to expect forgiveness from me? How can love and betrayal coexist in a single entity? 'Cause losing trust doesn't necessarily mean loss of amour, too. Should staying strong be prioritized over self-well-being during turbulent times when breathing gets exhausting amidst lengthy emotional turmoil? Whether confessing a story outside involves unnecessary judgments, thereby worsening situations spiraling out of control, or remaining isolated isn't helpful either.